Hello, my name is Bob Russo. I'm a product evangelist at Avid Technology. Today I'm going to show you how to blur a title using only the Avid title tool and the built-in blur effect. As you can see, I have an interesting title that fades up and down while resizing. Instead of the fade, I'd like to make the effect a little more interesting and have it blur on and off. To get started, have V2 selected and step into the title using the Step In command located at the bottom left corner of the timeline window. Once you've stepped in, you'll see 3 tracks: the matte, fill, and then a blank track. With the matte on V3 selected, use the Mark Clip command to mark the in and out on the entire clip. Next, use the Copy to Clipboard command. If you don't have it mapped, you can map it using the command palette. Go to the Tools menu, select the Command palette, and the Edit menu. With the button-to-button reassignment selected, drag the Copy to Clipboard button to the toolbar. Close the command palette and press the button. This copies the track to the clipboard. Step out of the effect using the Step Out button. This will return you to the sequence. With V2 highlighted, remove the title effect using the Remove Effect button. This removes the key effect and only leaves the fill. Now we need to edit the clipboard contents into the sequence. Go to the Tools menu and select Clipboard Monitor. A pop-up window will open with the matte that was copied. Edit this into the sequence to V3 on top of the fill. Now apply a matte key effect to the matte on V3. This should pretty much leave you where you started. Next, step into the matte key effect and apply a blur effect to the matte. Select the effects editor and the shape tool to draw a box around the text. The effect defaults to both 20 on the horizontal and vertical blur. I'm going to leave it there. Since I want this to blur up and down, I'm going to add keyframes to adjust the amount of blur. Once the effect is set, it needs to be copied and applied to the fill. To do this, select the effect icon in the effect editor and drag it to a bin. Close the effect editor and drag the effect from the bin onto V2. You can now see the title blurs on and off. I want to add some movement so the text resizes. With V3 enabled, select the Effect Editor button, select the first keyframe, and adjust the scale parameter. The last step is to render the effect. And that's how you blur a title using the Avid Media Composer. I'm Bob Russo with Avid Technology.